top of that. Okay? So what? It's on. You want to pull it up? Is that perfect? Where's this side? That's the last thing I want.
Let's go, Bobby. Your girl's got this. Hey, she's a fucking gangster.
There you go. That one's for you right there.
Get it, Matt. Pull that tire up, Doug.
Go.
I hate to say it, but that shit hit me in the leg.
It's a good song.
Oh, what the fuck? That shit hit me.
My ears hole hurts.
Did you get hit with the round?
Yes, bitch.
Hey, AK.
Oh,
Man, don't move. I'm hiding behind you. Some bitch. What hit you?
fucking shell, dude. Get that shit on my face. God damn it.